Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 26 March 2021. So, this analysis is for 26 March only. Uh, and I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. I do analysis of currency pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY, and many more. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so let's jump to the chart then. Let me take out the pencil. So we can see that market was in range and right now market has broken the support and trading below the support. Okay, so do you think this is the time to short the market now? Okay, but I'll say that this is not the right position to short the market now. Okay, because see, market has come down a long way, and just look at the position of this stochastic RSI. Market is heavily oversold. Okay, so whenever market is in oversold zone or market is heavily oversold, then it is not the ideal position to short the market. Okay, because if you short the market here, suppose you short the market here, okay, you short the market here, then where will you put your stop loss? Okay, because you cannot put your stop loss here blindly here. Okay, to follow the discipline, or by following the discipline of stop loss, you'll have to put your stop loss at least here above the so this is a huge stop loss. Okay, it may, if the trade goes against you, you may end up blowing your whole account. That's why discipline is very important for trader, and you should not compromise with discipline. Okay, so you can see that market has broken the support, and on the left hand side you can see that in the support section I have not mentioned anything. Okay, this is blank. And in the resistance one, I have mentioned 50 MA as the first resistance and 1.1934 as the resistance 2. Okay, therefore what should we do then, or what will be the ideal position to short the market? Okay, ideal position will be always near the resistance. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market to go up. Okay, this is your first strategy. Okay, I'll be sharing two strategies with you. Okay, this is your first strategy, or this can be your first strategy. Wait for the market to go up. Okay, and just observe the price when the market or price will be near the 50 moving average. Okay. In case you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, then you can short term market. Okay, once you get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star, bearish engulfing pattern, or any confirmation of your own choice, once you get the confirmation about the price struggle and price reversal from 50 moving average, you can short the market. And in case it crosses the 50 moving average, then also you need to wait for this resistance to 1.193 for this level. Okay, market should reverse, or there is a high possibility that market will reverse from either 50 moving average, this line, or this line. Okay, so just observe the price. Okay, once it gives you the reversal signal or sign, you can just short the market. Okay, and let me discuss the second strategy now. Okay, suppose market goes up but does not go to the 50 moving average or to the resistance, because market does not have the required strength. In that case, what you should do, you just keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI. Okay, as you can see now, stochastic RSI is heavily oversold. It is almost dead like a rat. Is not it? So you keep your eyes. Okay, this is your second strategy. You keep your eyes on stochastic RSI and let it move upward. Okay, so you just keep your eyes on stochastic RSI and just wait. Okay, you just see when the stochastic RSI will be going from the oversold zone to the overbought zone. Okay, just observe and observe. When stochastic RSI will be in overbought bought zone, okay, then you need to be cautious and careful and just wait for the uh, price reversal sign. Once stochastic RSI will be in the overbought zone, okay, you just wait for the correct timing, like a shooting star, red candle like this, okay, or good price rejection from above like this. Once you get the confirmation and you see that stochastic RSI is about to come down again, okay, stochastic RSI is about to come down again, you just short the market, okay, you just short the market. So this is the strategy number 2 that you can follow for Euro USD. Okay, hopefully you have understood both the strategies where you can make money. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.